Alright, this right here is the LG B10 or BX. Let's turn this puppy on. And here it is, the SDR image straight out of the camera, straight out of the TV. Let's go zap through the channels. And as you see, everything looks pretty good, right? Let's check out this teleshop thingy. A lot of people are saying, complaining about this TV, or when compared to the C10 or CX, that this was like worse or not as good as the CX. And I had both. I'm just here checking out the reflection. So I had both, and to be honest with you guys, I don't see any real difference when it comes down to the image quality whatsoever. So image quality wise, it is a really good device. The only real difference with the C10 is going through the menu. So it's a little bit slower. But my experience was that this is actually pretty fine for my needs. So let's go to the menu. So these are my settings. It is in Dutch, by the way. But as you see, everything looks pretty sharp. Going quickly to Netflix. And let's say I want to watch this taco documentary. You know, things are looking pretty fine, man. I have no complaints whatsoever. Let's go to YouTube quickly. And as you see, it's not really super fast, but also it is not super slow, right? That is something that I personally really like. You could just quickly go through the YouTube menu. Just press enter. Reflection is not that bad as well. Right, as you see, it's now just daylight in the afternoon. And the reflection is really great, actually. Don't have any complaints. This is now HDR 8K. I don't know what kind of footage it is, but it looks perfectly fine. It looks perfectly fine. I have no issues with the image quality. The sound as well is also really good. So again, this is in the afternoon. Things are looking pretty sweet. Okay, let's turn on the Xbox. Right. That's a nice little dog. Oh, Xbox, here we go. Gears of War is fine. I died. I died. What happened? I don't know what happened. So this is actually quite a dark scene right now, right? I think I need to... So real dark scenes in the afternoon, you do see a lot of reflection. You can even see me right now in the image. Man. Oh, totally forgot. There you go. Bye bye, robot. There are many more, I think, there. Okay, let's switch to a different game. Tetris. Oh yeah, my wife played Tetris last night. Let's see. Forza is always a nice game to look at and to play at. But as you see, the image is looking really good. I don't see why people are like so negative about the BX or B10. Okay, so my kids are playing this game, and I don't know why they are driving in a Kia. Why are they driving in a Kia? Anyways. Well, as you see, things are looking pretty good, man. I am really enjoying myself, and you know, I had the CX or C10, and I have to say, image quality wise or brightness wise, it's the same to me. I don't see any real differences for my needs. Maybe if you put them side by side directly, but honestly, no, man, I'm really enjoying this. Whee! Okay, let's go back to the settings. And as you see here in the settings, this TV can do it all. 4K details. Your TV supports 4K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, and all the extras and HDR gaming and stuff like that. So it can do pretty much anything, and it's really good. You know, what's to complain about? What's to complain? It's now literally in the daylight, and you can see it right now on your little screen as well that things are looking really good. I'm gonna change to my favorite car. This is my favorite car, by the way, the Lamborghini. Yes. Look at that. Look how cool this looks. Gonna go here in the snow. Just gonna pan out. Feel like this, like, oh, whoa, what the hell? Why am I want to go up, man? Oh, yeah. Just look at it. Looks perfectly fine, man. This right here can be your screensaver. But anyways, the things that I really like for this TV is, of course, it is the most affordable OLED TV that you can buy, or LG OLED TV. So that is something that I personally really like. So budget-wise, it is really nice. Image quality-wise, it's really good. I really like it. Also for gaming, as you saw, it has all the needed features so you can future-proof yourself. And I'm also going to get the PlayStation 5. Hopefully, I can have that one within a couple of weeks. Still waiting for it. But as you know, everybody's waiting for it. So when it comes down to gaming, it's really, really a great option. And this, by the way, is the 55-inch version of the BX or B10. And I'm really loving it, man. I'm really loving it. I don't see why people are so negative about this. And I also was very, like, critical about the brightness level and stuff like that. But as you see, as you just saw in this game as well, even though in darker areas, darker scenes, even though it's now bright outside, you can see things, man. You can just play and have fun, you know? Oh my God. Can I walk through it? Oh, okay. Alright, okay. Come on, robots. Come on. Anyways, as you see, everything looks perfectly fine. And we're good to go. Alright?
Okay, we're clear. But watch it. More gas leaks down here.
Yes, more gas leaks indeed. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Just showing you that the LG B10 is a great option. And I really love it, and I really love it even for normal TV watching. Oh my God, my apologies for that, guys.
For pain in their legs and knees? Yes.
I've got pain in my legs as well. But anyways, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if not already. Like the video. If you got any questions about this TV, you know, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, what I really love is how thin it is. Just look at it. Look at it, man. Nice and thin. Cool. It's like a little mirror, right? Looks pretty cool. But anyways, that's it. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.